Hey, welcome to Sort 35. Don't worry about it if you haven't started with Sort 1. That just means that we're working further down along the line with our long vowel patterns. In fact, up to this point, you probably were learning the most common ways to make long vowels. This week, we're going to work on less common ways to make a long A sound. If we go back, we can think of some long vowel A's that have common patterns. For example, usually we talk about the first vowel does the talking and second vowel does the walking. Also, that there's a magic E at the end, so it makes the vowel say its name. So let's go back. Here we have the word train, train. I see the A-I together, which means I've got the first vowel doing the talking, second vowel doing the walking. The A will say its name, A. The I will walk away and not say anything. It's silent. So we get tr-a-n, train. That's a most common way we have long vowel A. Then we have a most common way with that magic E we talked about. When you see a magic E at the end of the word, or sometimes we call it silent E, when you see it at the end of the word, it makes the vowel in the middle say its name. So again, in this word, it would be pull-a-n. The A says its name, A, and the E is silent, plain. Well, when we get up here to Sort 35, we actually are going to kind of throw away those rules. Well, not really throw them away because, of course, rules are rules. But we look here and we've got AY. Now, sometimes we're taught the Y, works as a vowel, so it might say the A-E-I-O or U sound. But today we're saying that this is a less common way to make the long A sound. So when you see AY together, it'll say A. Over in the middle here, yep, oh my goodness, you've got an EY. Yeah, I know. Usually EY would say E, but now we're learning that, there's a chance out there that it might say long vowel A. And then we don't even have an A again in EI. Usually EI we would say first vowel does the talking, second vowel does the walking, and that would make this sound E. But in this case, again, we're learning that this is a less common way to make the long A sound. It's going to say A when you see these two letters together on our sort. So speaking of, let's go through the sort and read our words. Let's start here, going down. Away, they, come on, read it with me. Friday, way, ate, pray, say, play, nay, stray, hay, slay, tray, obey. So you hear that long A saying its name. But again, we've got those less common ways to make the A say its name. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look at these words and we're going to figure out how is the A sound being made. Is it AY, EY, or EI? So let's start here. Away. Although I see an A at the beginning, it's not saying its name here. I know that I'm hearing the A sound at the end. So again, you've got to really listen to yourself say the word. Away. It's at the end. And I see the AY. So here's my less common way, AY. They, EY is saying the long A sound. They. Friday, AY making the long A sound. Now look at this word. Can you read it for me? Way. So I've got this EI, but I've got this GH also. You know what? It's just one of those things where the GH is silent. Sometimes you see it when there's a T at the end, weight, weight. This is how heavy something is. So we have the GH here, and it's silent. But at the end of the word, when there's not the letter T, then, ooh, I've got to edit this text. There we go. I'm just learning how to use this. Bear with me. We've got way, no consonant at the end, and it's being made with the EI, less common way to make a long A. All right, guys, I want you to go ahead and try and figure out where these words go. Are we saying long A with AY, long A with EY, or long A with EI? Go ahead, sort your words. All right, how'd you do? Did you do as well as I did? All right, anytime I say any of these words, we are going to have the long vowel A with AY, EY, and EI. So let's read. Away, Friday, stray, say, tray, play, hay. They, pray, obey, weigh, ate, neigh, and slay. So in our sort, these are the less common ways to make the long A sound. If we were talking about the rules to this sort, we would use those words saying less common way. Away uses AY to make the long A sound. Long A is made a less common way in AY, EY, and EI. So your rules for your sort are the AY, EY, and EI are less common ways to make the long A vowel sound. Hope this helps. See you guys next week.